The book of Daniel, chapter 9, verses 3 to 19. So I set my face toward YAHUAH, the Elohim, to seek by prayer and supplication with fasting and sackcloth and ashes. And I prayed to YAHUAH, my Elohim, and made confession and said, O YAHUAH, great and awesome El, guarding the covenant and the loving commitment to those who love him and to those who guard his commands. We have sinned and did crookedness and did wrong and rebelled to turn aside from your commands and from your right rulings. And we have not listened to your servants, the prophets, who spoke in your name to our sovereigns, our heads, and our fathers, and to all the people of the land. O YAHUAH, to you is the righteousness, and to us the shame of face, as it is this day to the men of Yehudah, to the inhabitants of Jerusalem, and all Yisra'el, those near and those far off, in all the lands to which you have driven them, because of their trespass which they have trespassed against you. O Master, to us is the shame of face, to our sovereigns, to our heads, and to our fathers, because we have sinned against you. To YAHUAH our Elohim are the compassions and forgivenesses, for we have rebelled against him, and we have not obeyed the voice of YAHUAH our Elohim to walk in his Torah, which he set before us through his servants, the prophets. And all Yisra'el have transgressed your Torah and turned aside so as not to obey your voice. So the curse and the oath written in the Torah of Mosheh, the servant of Elohim, have been poured out on us, for we have sinned against him. And he has confirmed his words, which he spoke against us and against our rulers who judged us, by bringing upon us great evil. For under all the heavens there has not been done like what has been done to Jerusalem. As it is written in the Torah of Mosheh, all this evil has come upon us, and we have not entreated the face of YAHUAH our Elohim to turn back from our crookednesses and to study your truth. Hence YAHUAH has watched over the evil and has brought it upon us. For YAHUAH our Elohim is righteous in all the works which he has done, but we have not obeyed his voice. And now, O YAHUAH our Elohim, who brought your people out of the land of Mitzrayim with a strong hand, and made yourself a name as it is this day, we have sinned, we have done wrong. O YAHUAH, according to your righteousness, I pray, let your displeasure and your wrath be turned away from your city, Jerusalem, your set-apart mountain. For because of our sins and because of the crookednesses of our fathers, Jerusalem and your people have become a reproach to all those around us. And now, our Elohim, hear the prayer of your servant and his supplications, and for the sake of YAHUAH, cause your face to shine on your set-apart place, which is laid waste. O my Elohim, incline your ear and hear. Open your eyes and see our wastes and the city which is called by your name. For we do not present our supplications before you because of our righteous deeds, but because of your great compassions. O YAHUAH, hear. O YAHUAH, forgive. O YAHUAH, listen and act. Do not delay for your own sake, my Elohim. For your city and your people are called by your name. For your city and your people are called by your name.